hit it out of the park. To perform exceptionally well, far exceeding expectations. Sarah hit it out of the park with her presentation, impressing everyone with her thorough analysis and engaging delivery. The new marketing campaign hit it out of the park, resulting in a significant increase in customer engagement and sales. Throw in the towel. To give up or admit defeat, often after a long struggle. After struggling for months with the project, John finally decided to throw in the towel when he realized it was beyond his expertise. The team threw in the towel after their key player was injured, realizing they couldn't win without him. On the ball. To be alert, knowledgeable, and competent, often quick to react to situations. The new manager is really on the ball, quickly addressing issues before they become major problems. You need to be on the ball to succeed in this fast-paced industry, always staying ahead of the competition. Get a second wind. To regain energy or strength after feeling tired or exhausted. After a short rest and some water, the marathon runners got a second wind and finished the race strong. Just when I thought I couldn't study anymore, I got a second wind and managed to complete all my assignments. Kick off. To start an event, project, or activity, often with enthusiasm. The conference will kick off with a keynote speech by a renowned expert in the field. They kicked off the new project with a brainstorming session to generate innovative ideas. down to the wire,
until the very last moment or the final deadline, often implying a close or tense situation.
the election results came down to the wire, with both candidates having an equal chance of winning until the last votes were counted. The project was completed just down to the wire, finishing moments before the deadline thanks to the team's hard work. Keep your eye on the ball.
To stay focused on the main goal or task, avoiding distractions.
Despite the many distractions, she kept her eye on the ball and finished her work on time. If you want to succeed in this competitive environment, you need to keep your eye on the ball and not get sidetracked by minor issues. Drop the ball. To make a mistake or fail to meet expectations, often due to carelessness or inattention. I really dropped the ball on that assignment by forgetting to include crucial information. The team dropped the ball by missing the proposal submission deadline, costing the company a valuable contract. Out of left field,
Something unexpected or surprising, often coming from an unforeseen direction.
her resignation came out of left field. No one in the office saw it coming. The suggestion to change the entire marketing strategy seemed out of left field, but it ended up being a brilliant idea. Skate on thin ice. To take risks or act in a way that could lead to trouble or danger. By missing so many deadlines, he's skating on thin ice with his boss and could face serious repercussions. You're skating on thin ice by not preparing for your exams. You might fail if you don't start studying soon.